from class 7.
Good afternoon everybody, myself Rajat from class 7. Good afternoon everyone, I am Kuldeep Chittak from class 7.
Good afternoon everybody, I am Manish Gadawani from class 7.
I am Zinatullah from class 8.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Salim Rizal from class 8.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Nidhi Park from class 7. Our topic is
Money.
Yeah, our topic is money management. Without money we can't do anything. People do so much of hard work. Why? Because of money. Because of money you can buy everything. You can do everything whatever makes you happy. And this thing is false that money can't buy happiness. Money can buy happiness. If you like to travel, so you can go on a trip buy money. So money can buy happiness. If you want to live in a good house, so you can buy it with money. And yeah, money can buy happiness. These are the some examples of this.
I agree that money is everything.
Because by money, people respect you. If you have no money, people see you as a small person, and they will respect you. Because money is everything for us. If we have money, so we can achieve anything. If we don't have money, we cannot achieve anything. I totally agree. Because it means no one respects the beggar. Do you? No, right? Why? Because he is not having money and he is not having a job. But everybody respects a person who has money. Why? Because he has done so much of hard work. So money also gives you a better character. Like we can see Mukesh Ambani. He is very famous. Why? Because he is rich. He has done so much hard work. So yeah, money can also give you the fame you have never been in. Yes, I totally agree. If you have money, so we can do anything. Like we can travel to other countries, India to other countries, and we can show you and we can do anything.
I agree that by money we go so many places to visit and we will meet another people of their country.
I totally agree. Like if we want to get education, so by money we can go to the best schools in the whole world or in your town, so that you can get better knowledge. So by money you are also getting new and good facilities. So yeah, money is very important because without money you can't do anything, or it will be very hard to survive in today's time.
I agree because if you see government school and private school, in private school there is so many facilities and fees is also high. And government school there is less fees and facilities are also less. So by this we can understand that by the money we can get so many facilities.
If you are sick, so you can go in better hospitals, so the facilities will be good, and because of that your life will be more secure. So that's why money is very important, because if you will not have money, so if we will see our government hospitals, so there are not good facilities and place are dirty, so it is not good for your health. So money is important for this thing also.
Yes, I agree with you. The money is also important for education, jobs, and homes. But not a money is important. You are your editors, your no editors, the money you are vested.
Yes, I agree. If we have money, so we can famous in the world.
Yes, I agree with you. Money is everything. In village, there are many people who can't have much money. They are not enjoying their life.
Facilities to hospitals, schools, better education, and better homes. But money can't give more homes in a facilities of love. Money give only a good house, but that only money you can't do a love and things.
I totally agree. But if we will see about love, so after your marriage life, so it will be very easy. Why? Because if you have money, so to manage everything, it will be very easy. So because of money, you don't have to do very much of struggle, right?
I agree that in city and village people do not have so much of facility. They send their child to cities for study. But in city, we can see that they have so many facilities, so they can send their children in their city.
I agree with you. The village person live a better life because they are not a storage of means. They give a love in our homes, and a city's person do many struggles to collect money, and a village person not do struggle. because we love her family, her members, her friends.
I agree with you.
To government our countries and armies, you need to money. Without money, you can't take a wars, arms, and other guns. Because the money important, you get all things, and you matter your country better and your home better. And money give your respect. Money is you can't give a money somebody else. You have to not something.
I totally agree. Because if we see, so some people have very much of money, but they're dependent on it. If they don't have money or at a point they'll get lost, so they're dependent on money. Without money they can't live.
I agree with you. By money we can't buy love, but by money we can enjoy our life.
I agree with you. I agree with you. The money gives ability to do something. But without money, somebody else has money so many. But they don't use it properly. They wasted the money. And this time their money are left to her. They are not able to complete our wants.
Yes, I agree. This is good to earning money, but that is also wrong to earning money by wrong methods. I totally agree. If we see, so some people get their own attitude when they get money. So it is the thing when you will get great power, so it needs great responsibilities. If you are having many money and you are having an attitude that I am the most sweet person, so you can also lose some friends or any relations. So that you should know how to use your money correctly, and if you know how to use your money correctly, so money is the best thing and you can do everything in the world.
I agree with you. You have a lot of money to give a government. They have a need of this money. And they give a lunch because they have no money. They couldn't agree to take money and do lunch in a government.
I totally agree. If we see, so we waste money in very